Merry Christmas, everyone! We're going to draw a Christmas angel. So, since it's Christmas, we're gonna draw a cute little angel for our Christmas art. Awesome, so let's begin. Let's start by drawing her head, and we'll start kind of in the middle of our page. Draw a curved line, kind of like a bowl, right in the middle, and this is part of her head, the bottom of her head. And I'm gonna do 2 oval shapes for her eyes. I'm gonna color that in. And I'm also gonna draw another 2 ovals sideways, but not color it in with my black marker because I'm gonna color it with pink later. And these are her little cheeks that are blushing. And for her hair, I'm gonna do it this one way, but feel free to do any type of hair that you would like for your angel. Okay? So my hair is going to come down like this because she's gonna have a little bit of bangs. And then another curved line on top that comes all the way down. She has long hair. It's gonna curl up. Now her neck, 2 lines down. And then she's gonna have a lovely angelic dress on. So I did a smiley face, a little curved shape up under her neck, and then draw her shoulders and her arms coming down. She has these big flowy sleeves on both sides. Yeah. Diagonal line down and connect it. Yeah. And then now we're gonna draw the dress part of her clothing. So 2 lines diagonally down.
Here?
Yeah, from where underneath the shoulders, give a little bit of space.
Here?
And I'm gonna give her a little bit of frills on the bottom. So wavy lines and connect it to the diagonal lines. Yeah. And then draw 2 long U shapes on the bottom for her legs. Okay, so I'll demonstrate. That's like a big long U, right? And draw 1 more for her other leg. And then she's gonna wear little shoes, so let's do a couple of lines where her ankle might be, and I'm gonna give her socks too. Maybe there are some shoelaces on her shoes. Lots of lines, huh? And then kind of like how we did the U's for our legs, we're just gonna do smaller U's but also long for her little hands coming out of her sleeves. I forgot to do that earlier. Okay, now what do angels have that help them fly?
Wings.
Wings! So we're gonna draw fluffy wings for this cute angel today. So let's draw a upside down U shape. It's gonna be curvy, okay? So I'll show you like this. Maybe like a V almost, huh?
Yeah.
And since they're fluffy on the bottom, she's gonna have additional curves in her wings. And then we're gonna pretend it went in the back and then connect it to her dress in the middle. Yeah. And then another one on the other side. So draw that upside down wide U that curves up, kind of like a hook. And draw your curves behind her for her fluffy wings. And I'm going to draw a few more curves just to give it texture. Some curves to decorate her wings. Yeah, great. And what I like to draw is a little symbol in the middle for something that this angel might protect. And since I love Christmas music, I'm gonna pretend this is a music angel. I'm gonna put some music notes here. So 2 ovals slanted and lines and connected diagonal line. Yeah, great job. That's it. That's our Christmas angel. So should we start coloring her?
Yeah.
Okay. What tools are you gonna use today?
Markers.
Markers. I'm gonna use twistable crayons, just like last time. And you can decorate your angel however way you want. Give her lots of color or other decorations. And enjoy your Christmas angel. I'm gonna give her some pink wings. What color are you gonna do her wings?
I think I'm just gonna leave them white like this.
Oh, yeah, that's really pretty too. Wow, your angel has a crown! That's so cool! I love that! Have you ever drawn angels before? This is your first one?
Yep.
What do you think?
I like it.
Maybe you can draw more angels later.
Yep.
So this year we're gonna try to start a new Christmas tradition. Christmas games. Do you remember what kind of games we're gonna try to do?
Well, we were going to play Feed the Baby.
Feed the baby? How do you play that?
There's somebody in a crate.
A manger?
Yeah, a manger.
Uh-huh.
And you have to get some balls and throw them to the baby in the manger. And the baby in the manger has to catch it.
Yeah. And then we were going to do herd the sheep. Right? That's where you pretend like you're a shepherd. You take a candy cane, and that's your shepherd staff. And you're going to try to hook as many marshmallows as possible with those candy canes. And the person with the most marshmallows at the end wins.
I'm gonna eat all the marshmallows.
That's gonna be your prize, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and we also had the idea of doing a telephone game because it's Gabriel the angel trying to deliver a message through all the people that's playing the game all the way to Mary.
Yes.
Art Along friends, don't forget to name your angels too.
Yep.
What's your angel's name gonna be?
Don't know.
Okay, it'll come to you, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I know you named a really cool mermaid the other day.
I did?
Yeah, I think her name was Daffodil when we were doing the Christmas mermaid.
What?
You don't remember your mermaid's name?
No, I don't remember my mermaid.
Your Christmas mermaid. Okay, I'm busting out the portfolio. Because Mia doesn't remember her Christmas mermaid.
I thought you said yesterday.
Oh, I said the other day.
Oh.
This was Daffodil, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, Art Along friends, we have a Christmas mermaid episode if you want to check that out. And Mia named her Daffodil.
Yep.
So cool. What are you doing there, Mia?
She's flying higher and higher in the air.
Is that why all the colors are changing?
Yeah.
Wow, I love that. So these colors are lighter and it's going darker and darker?
Yeah.
Cool. Is it because it's darker in outer space?
Yeah.
That's really amazing. I love that.
And the sun's so big. So this whole thing is yellow.
Oh, okay. So that bottom part is the sun. It's the sunlight. I love your ideas here. That's cool. Great. Is that it? Did you name your angel?
No, not yet. What are you gonna name yours?
I think I'll name mine Heavenly.
That's pretty.
I think yours looks like
Amina.
Mina. I love that. That's great. Well, there's our Christmas angel. That's Heavenly and Mina. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye. See you next time.